made the best chicken thighs using Montebello blood orange juice. First, you combine cornstarch with the prime spice, some salt, and some pepper. Coat the chicken thighs thoroughly and make sure that you have a pan nice and hot with a little bit of olive oil ready to sear those chicken thighs. Now layer in the aromatics: shallots, fennel, garlic, and carrots. Saute it all together, add the Montebello blood orange juice, a cinnamon stick, and a bay leaf, and then your seared chicken thighs. Always add the reserved liquid. You can add orange slices and then pop into the oven 350 degrees for 20 minutes. I like to call this a simmer sauce. It's brown sugar, salt and pepper, a pinch of prime spice or so. Mix it all together with some Montebello blood orange juice, and don't forget that bourbon. Remove the chicken after 20 minutes, pour over the simmer sauce, and return to the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes. And voila, there you go.